We have smart pretty much everything else, so it was about time for us to get smart outdoor Christmas lights, and we decided to go with the Govee Icicle lights this year. Just like all of our other Govee products, the app is excellent and very responsive, which is one of the things that I like about them because laggy, slow, unresponsive smart devices are the literal worst. My partner and I got these installed in just a quick afternoon. It didn't take long at all. They come with the clips that are necessary, and we used the gutter clips. They suggest that you put the gutter clips on about every 14 inches. We put one on right before a given light. That way we could use the tension to stretch and make sure that it stayed taut and nice and straight on our gutter. Fortunately, we have an electrical outlet in our eaves specifically designed for Christmas lights. However, if you don't, the string itself is pretty long. You can see that we have a lot of extra that we didn't use. The control box that manages the smart part of the lights, it comes with its own adhesive, but if you were worried about removal or didn't want to have to deal with it later, you could always use something temporary on your own, like adding a command strip at the back. The way that the icicle lights are built in, there is a correct way to let them hang down, so you'll just want to be careful when you are installing them that it doesn't get twisted so that it is working with the lights and not against them. When we first took them out, they didn't want to hang very nicely because they had been bundled up, but with gravity and a little bit of time, they straightened out and they look a lot better now. We've been having a lot of fun choosing the different settings, what colors we're going to use that day. It comes with a lot of preset themes, but you can also create your own. The Govee app also integrates with the Google Home app. So if your preferred method of powering on and off and automation is Google Home, then you can just import it there and then program your automation that way. There are probably other integrations as well, but that's the one that I use. If you want to check them out yourself and support me as a creator, then check the link below.